Welcome everyone. I am Dr. Rupali Shinde from KVN Naik College, Nasik. I am assistant professor from the Department of Commerce. Today we will discuss the topic e-commerce. E-commerce is more than just buying and selling product online. Instead, it encompasses the entire online process of developing, marketing, selling, delivering and paying for products and services. Purchases on the internet, e-commerce, stand for electronic commerce and it is a great concept any form of business transaction or information exchange, execute information and communication technology. E-commerce take place between companies and their consumers or between companies and public administrations. Include electronic trading of goods, services and electronic material. Let us now see the classification of e-commerce. E-commerce exchange may be business to consumer, or with facilities such as online auctions, consumer to consumer. The e-commerce customer may be home computer users or business computer users. E-commerce classified as the following: business to business, the B2B model; business to consumer, the B2C model. It, its example are Amazon.com, Flipkart, etc. etc. Consumer to consumer, the C2B model example are online trading, tenders, freelancing website like Buzzy.com, and the consumer to consumer, the C2C model example OLX and eBay. Scope of e-commerce. E-commerce use three technologies: electronics market, electronic data interchange, and internet commerce. Electronics market. The principal function electronic market is to facilitate the search for required product or service. Example: airline booking system. Electronic data interchange. Electronic data interchange provides for the efficient transactions of trade exchange between commercial organization. Example: large retail groups such as supermarket. Internet commerce. The internet can be used for advertising goods and services and transactions once of deals. Internet commerce application for both business to consumer transaction. Example: purchasing books from Amazon.com. Trade cycle. Trade cycle is the series of exchange between a customer and supplier that takes place. Commercial exchange is executed. There are four phases of trade cycle: pre-sale, execution, settlement, and after-sale. Pre-sale include finding a supplier and agreeing the terms. It is the search and negotiation phase. The execution include collecting goods and taking delivery. It is the order and delivery phase. The settlement include payment. After sales include following up complaints or providing maintenance. It is the service and warranty phase. Electronic market. Electronic market is an information system that provides facilities for buyers and sellers to exchange information about price and product offering. Electronic market also tend to be available only to be intermediators. Electronic market bring together product, price and service information from many suppliers. Electronic market can thus act as database or catalogs. Electronic market is the virtual representation of physical market. Electronic market are used for passengers ticket reservations and airline booking system and in various financial and commodity markets. These markets give access to comparative data on price and other attributes of goods or services on offer. Access to this information is advantageous of the consumer, but making the information available is not necessarily beneficial to the supplier. Internet commerce. Internet commerce is the use of internet for all phases of creating and completing business transaction. Consumer purchasing over internet typifies with trades. Internet commerce is also mentioned as business to consumer e-commerce. But internet commerce can also be used for organization to make once-off or infrequent phase of items such as computers and office supplies. Advantages of internet commerce are home shopping, which is quick and convenient, worldwide and 24 hours, that is anywhere, anytime, and home delivery of product. Thank you.